Do you feel restless without your phone? Do you unlock your screen without even knowing why? If yes, you're not alone. Mobile addiction is a growing mental health concern. And today, we'll go over 10 signs that you may be addicted to your phone. Watch till the end because I'll also share 2 science-backed ways to reduce screen time and reset your brain. Let's begin. You check your phone within 5 minutes of waking up. This instantly floods your brain with dopamine and trains it to crave constant stimulation, even before your day begins. You feel anxious without your phone nearby. This is known as nomophobia, the fear of being without your mobile. It's a modern psychological condition linked to mobile overuse. You scroll through your phone during meals or social events. If you find yourself glued to the screen even when you're with people, it's a sign that your brain is prioritizing digital over real-life connections. You experience phantom vibrations. You feel like your phone buzzed, but it didn't. This is a neurological response caused by your brain being hyper-attuned to notifications. You often lose track of time while scrolling. Social media is designed with features like infinite scroll and autoplay, all to keep you hooked and unaware of how long you've been online. You find it hard to focus on tasks without checking your phone. Mobile addiction affects your attention span and working memory. Over time, it can mimic symptoms of attention deficit disorders. You sleep with your phone under your pillow or next to you. Blue light from screens reduces melatonin production, leading to poor sleep quality, insomnia, and next-day fatigue. You get irritated when someone interrupts your screen time. This emotional irritability is similar to withdrawal symptoms seen in other types of addiction. It's a red flag of digital dependence. You turn to your phone when you're stressed, bored, or sad. Instead of facing your emotions, the phone becomes your escape, which may create emotional numbness or dependency over time. You've tried to cut down on screen time, but can't stick to it. If you've set app limits or attempted a digital detox and keep relapsing, that's a strong indicator of behavioral addiction. Now, if 5 or more of these signs felt familiar, it's time for a digital check-in. But don't worry, here are 2 easy ways to reset your relationship with your phone. First, try focus mode or app limiters. These reduce unconscious scrolling. Second, create screen-free zones, like the dinner table or your bedroom. Even 30 minutes of intentional disconnection a day can improve your memory, mood, sleep, and focus. In the next video, we will discuss how to effectively stop phone addiction in detail. If this video helped you reflect on your habits, hit the like button and share it with someone who might need a phone break.